How are you?
Let's learn English together.
Hey, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Why? Any plans?
I was thinking we could go on a trip. It's been a long time since we traveled.
That sounds great. Where do you want to go?
How about Goa? We can enjoy the beach and relax.
Nice idea. Should we go by bus or train?
The train would be more comfortable, I think.
True. What about the budget?
If we share the hotel and travel cost, it will be affordable.
Good. How many days do you want to stay?
Maybe 3 days, Friday to Sunday.
Perfect. We should book tickets soon before the price goes up.
Yes. Also, let's make a list of things to carry: clothes, sunscreen, camera.
Don't forget snacks. I always need snacks.
Haha, yes. Anything else we need to plan?
We should check the weather and book a hotel near the beach.
I will handle hotel booking. You book the train tickets.
Deal. I'm already excited.
Same here. This trip is going to be fun.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily English conversations with us.